Class 9, today I am going to start chapter 13, construction of parallelogram whose measurement of one angle is given and equal in area of triangle. Means we have to draw first triangle and from that triangle we have to draw one parallelogram. Okay, so let us start doing. In the first question it is written, we draw a line segment PQ of length 5 cm. First we have to draw a line segment whose length is 5 cm. We take an external point A and we have to take an external point A of the line segment. Let us draw parallel lines through the point A to the line segment PQ. So here they are telling you from the point A we have to draw a parallel line which is parallel to PQ, and they have given let us draw 3 alternative process. No need to draw 3 alternative process, only you will draw one process. Using one process you have to draw, but this one is not related to this exercise, okay, because in this one they are telling you from triangle you have to draw parallelogram, but since they have given us, so we have to draw this one. Let us start doing. First of all, class 9, we will draw one 5 cm line, okay, because it is given that PQ of length 5 cm. So I am drawing 5 cm line. I will give P and Q and 5 cm. Okay. After this, we will take one external point A, because they are telling us to take an external point A of line segment. Okay, means we have to take an external point A of line segment PQ. External means outside of PQ, means you can take anywhere. I am taking here. After this, what you will do, you will draw one arc. Now how you will draw one arc? See, you will keep your compass in point A and you will draw one arc in this 5 cm like this. Okay, again I am showing you. You will keep your compass point in point A and you will draw one arc like this. Okay, after this you will give name X and Y, this intersection point X and Y. Okay, now from this intersection point, you will XY is your intersection point, so you will take more than half of XY. More than half means I don't know what is the measurement of XY. I am taking more than half of XY, means this is full, XY is full, means less than XY. You can take this much. Okay, you can take this much, but don't take less than half. You have to always take more than half. So take this one and draw one arc up and one arc down. Okay, again I am telling you, you will take more than half of XY. You will cut up and down, and again you will put here and you will cut up and down. Okay, by what we are doing, we are drawing perpendicular bisector. Okay, so this one is our perpendicular bisector. Okay, and it will go from point A. Understood up to here? Now from point A we will draw 90 degree, means this is point A, we will draw 90 degree. Now how we will draw 90 degree? We will keep our compass in this point and we will draw one arc. We'll keep our compass in this point. You know how to draw 90 degree. Then here, then again we will keep our compass in this point, then up and in this one. Then again we will keep our compass here, then cancel this one. Okay, now this perpendicular will go from point A. Okay, so this point, this give name RS. This RS point is parallel to PS point. So what you will write? RS parallel, or you can write parallel, it will be better, parallel to PQ, because they are telling you draw a line segment from the external point A which is parallel to PQ. So PQ is a line segment. First we are drawing 5 centimeter PQ. Then I am taking one external point A. Taking A as a center, I am making one arc. Okay. Then I am taking more than, and I am giving XY as a name of intersection point. Then I will take more than half of XY. I will cut up and down. After that I will keep that compass in this point and I will cut up and down. Then I will draw one straight line. Okay. It is what? Bisector, perpendicular bisector, and it will always go from point A. After this, what you will do, in point A you will draw 90 degree and you will draw one straight line using this 90 degree. So this RS is parallel to PQ. That is why I told you to write RS parallel to PQ. Okay, do this one. Class 9, see question number 2. We draw a triangle with length of sides 5 cm, 8 cm and 11 cm. So we have to draw one triangle whose length are 5 cm, 8 cm and 11 cm. Okay, and draw a parallelogram equal in area to that triangle. And after drawing one triangle, we have to draw a parallelogram whose area is equals to the triangle area and having an angle 60 degree. And when you will draw angle, its one angle will be, when you will draw one parallelogram, its one angle will equals to 60 degree. Let us write instruction, process and proof. So proof will never come and process they will never tell you to do. So no need to do this one, only you will do up to here. Okay, so you have to draw one triangle. From that triangle you will draw a parallelogram whose one angle is 60 degree. Okay, so we will start doing. So class 9, first you will take 11 centimeter. Okay, from your scale you will draw one 11 centimeter. Then you will draw one 8 centimeter. Then you will draw 5 centimeter. Okay, in this side or this side, it's upon you. After this, what we will do, listen carefully. Okay, so after this we will draw one straight line. Okay, first of all we will draw one straight line. After drawing this straight line, we will take our compass, and using that compass we will take the measurement of 11 centimeter. Okay, so this one is 11 centimeter. We will put our compass in the end point of this line and we will cut here. Okay, understood? And we will write this one 11 centimeter. Okay, after this what we will do, we will take 5 centimeter length. Okay, 5 centimeter length, and we will put our compass in this point and we will just draw one arc only. Okay, one arc. Understood up to here? Now we will take this 8 centimeter length. Okay, we will take this 8 centimeter length. We will keep our compass in this cutting point, 11 centimeter cutting point, and we will cut this arc. It must cancel each other, means it must intersect each other. Okay, after this we will join this point with this side and same this point with this side. Okay, understood? How to make triangle? This one is 5 centimeter and this one is 8 centimeter. Completed how to draw triangle. Now we will do what we will do. We will draw perpendicular bisector of this side. First give name A, B, C. So ABC is a triangle. After this you will draw perpendicular bisector of BC. How you will draw perpendicular bisector of BC? You will take more than half of BC. I am taking more than half of BC. Okay, more than half of BC means BC is full 11 centimeter. You can take more than half, it will be 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, but don't take less than half. Means please don't take 5 centimeter or 4.5 centimeter. Always take more than half, or you can take from here also. I am taking this much. Okay, taking this much. Now I will keep my compass in point B. I will cut up and down. Okay, same thing I will do here. I will keep my compass on point C. I will cut up and down. Okay, after this what I will do, I will draw perpendicular. I will just join this point and this point of perpendicular. Okay, completed up to here. Understood? Now what you will do after this? After this you will take this measurement, AB measurement. Okay, keep it in point C and cut here. Again I am taking cut here. Okay, keep AB measurement 5 centimeter, keep it in point C and cut. Okay, after that take BC measurement, which is 11, keep it in point A and cut this one. Okay, so after intersecting two points you will draw from A to this much. You will draw one line. Okay, draw one line. Okay, now they are telling you one more thing, that and draw a parallelogram equal in area of that triangle and having an angle 60 degree. Okay, means you have to draw 60 degree. So where you will draw 60 degree? You will draw 60 degree in this point. Can you see in this point? So how you will draw? First you will take any arc measurement, then you will keep your compass in this point and cancel this. This is 60 degree. I think you know how to draw 60 degree. And after drawing this 60 degree, join this with this line. Okay, now after this what you will do, you will take the measurement of this side, means from angle to this side, and you will keep in this point and cut here. Okay, and join these 2 points. So you can see, give name. Here I am giving D, E, F, G. This point I am giving name G. So what you will write? Area of triangle. Triangle name is ABC. ABC equal to area of parallelogram. Parallelogram is DCEF. DCEF. Again I am telling you the process. First of all, what is given to you? 3 sides are given to you. So using this 3 side, you will draw triangle. I am taking BC 11 centimeter, AB 5 centimeter, and AC 8 centimeter. After joining this, what you will do? You will draw perpendicular bisector of side BC, means you will take more than half of BC, more than half of BC, more than half, and you will draw up and down, then up and down, you will draw one perpendicular bisector. After doing this, you will take measurement of AB, keep it in point C and cut here. Okay, then take the measurement of BC, keep it in point A and cut here. Then join this intersection point with this A. Okay, one is straight line, and I am giving name G. After doing this, you will draw 60 degree. Okay, give name 60 degree. You will draw 60 degree because they are telling you to draw 60 degree. Make 60 degree and then join this point with this straight line, and after this take measurement of this BC, keep it in point F and cut here, and then join CE. You will get one parallelogram. So what you will write, area of triangle ABC is equals to area of parallelogram DC DCEF. Understood up to here? Do it. Class 9, your homework is question number 5. If you have any query, you can ask me in the given email ID nilufar.sma@outlook.com, and you have to submit your homework in the given email ID. Thank you.